his cigarette butts. So inside was pretty clean on the male side. Not bad, fairly clean. Good, pretty clean.
It was nice, and they actually had a chair by the, what is that chair? I wonder.
I don't know. Probably, yeah. All right, let's go. We're out for a walk again. Yeah, and check out the dump station and see what the facilities are like. Just a single dumping area, and there's a cutout here for the stuff. Connect your drain hose to your holding tank place. Yeah, right. Tell you how to do this. And there's a white hose down there. Not for potable water, of course, but I guess I could use that for my tank flush. Okay. Oh, picnic area, boat launch, park exit to the left, cabins to the left, group camp to the left. It's got a swimming pool, which is not open for the season yet. Straight ahead. And there's that guy, he's there now.
Probably doing laundry.
So down this way. Monday, Tuesday, except on holidays, open Memorial Weekend through Labor Day. How far is the picnic area?
I don't know. It's down that way.
So there's the pool. And there's the nature center over there, I guess. I'm gonna take a little walk over there in a minute. Men pool entry. So I would expect that that door is probably closed.
It doesn't look like they're swimming in the day use area.
Right. Pool entry. Yeah, that's locked. Okay. Laundry. That's laundry there. I don't know what this is. You want to have a look? Oh no, it looks like it's locked. Is it? Nice laundry room. It's kind of dark.
There's the landmark.
Okay. Meeting room. Looks like it's locked as well. Yeah. Thought it was a nature center. Maybe that's further up the road. Oh well. There's that off-road RV again. And that's the entrance to the 4-mile loop, Magnolia Trail. I'll not be going on that right now. I don't think you'd want to do that on your bicycle. Cabins to the right, golf. What? Golf. Group camp straight ahead.
You want to go look at the cabin?
Sure. I'm kind of documenting what's in this campground. 5 and 6 to 10. 1 to 5 is down to the left. Okay, so that's like a little circle of cabins.
That's bathrooms in them. Maybe they have bathrooms in them.
Probably not. Maybe. 6 through 10 are straight ahead, so it's probably not another little loop. Yeah, I'd say all of these cabins are taken up. What's that?
Just a cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
That probably leads to somebody's cabin right there.
It's probably.
No.
Oh, it's yeah. It's the
Oh,
entrance to this one here.
Yeah, it's for.
It's the ADA.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
wheelchair accessible. Cool. All right. Yeah, this park is really convenient and well used by people with boats. Heading towards the group camping area. Now, cabins are not too bad. One of them, the 6 to 10, are down by the water. Looks like 1 through 5 are not really down to the open water. There might be some kind of an inlet on beyond the edge of them, but 6 to 10 would be the better ones to go to, I think. This is heading for the group camping area, so we don't know. Looks like some cars down there.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe there's a group camping there. Oh, they're too big for cabin.
I think I have both of them. The group camping might be
Mm.
cabins.
Yeah. Could be. Could be these groups camp in a cabin.
Mm-hmm. So the cabin would have.
4. And there's camping, parking over there. That one has a number and
So this is probably like, remember the scouts had
yeah, screened in room windows. Wow, and there's one all the way down there too. Yep, you can get all the way down to the water over there. Cool. Yeah. It's so pretty here. All the trees. Now heading for the day use area. And eventually the picnic area, or the same thing. And then the boat launch. So that might be the cabins on the other side there.
Where? Maybe.
Could be.
Like it. Looks like it. But this is the day use area.
Day use area here.
And then more picnic tables.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, let's go down there and see. Picnic pavilion number 2. Playground over there for the kids, yeah.
Oh, this is a picnic pavilion, so these are, you probably have to, I don't know if you would have to rent these or
And I think those are the cabins over there.
Yeah.
Over there, all the way around there is picnic tables. And this is a picnic pavilion here. This is nice down here. Very pretty. Have a picnic right on the water. Now, where to?
We gotta go around.
Around? Alright.
Hopefully,
And there's playground equipment over there. This whole area. Picnic Pavilion number 2 we just came to, and that's the area we were just at. Maybe heading towards Picnic Pavilion number 1. I would assume that if there's a number 2, there's a number 1. You think that's number 1 over there? Maybe you're right. Yeah, it's a pretty good walk. I mean, it's a little bit hilly in here. You know, not as flat as South Texas where we are, but kind of nice here. Okay. There's washrooms right here, I guess. Looks like a little group area over here. Amphitheater, maybe? Oh, a lookout. Okay, so this is the fishing parking area here, right across the way from, across the inlet from where we are parked. Yeah, that's across the way from where we are camped. Alright, we're going down to the fishing pier, so-called fishing pier. Not very big. I don't know if there's a fish cleaning station down there, or maybe the fish cleaning station is by the parking lot. But there's no fish cleaning station here, so you gotta clean the fish somewhere else.
you gotta clean them at the fish cleaning station.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to clean them at the campsite.
That's what they said? Okay, so there is a fish cleaning station. Alright. So many boats here. Nobody's fishing off of the fishing pier. Oh, look at the pollen in the water. See how much pollen is in the water? Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, nice place to sit too. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at that. I don't have my external microphone with the wind muff on it, so there'll be some wind noise. Took that off to see what the difference is in the audio quality. What did you say there? Spiders? Yeah. I don't think. What did you think it was? Oh look, see, that's where you put in over there, and then you come out, and that's the no wake zone there, and then you go off into the open water. See this guy putting in his boat?
North Toledo Bend State Park.
Where?
On the side.
Oh, thought you saw it in the truck.
No swimming, no wake area. You can rent the boats. Apparently.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's another fishing pier, is it? You want to go stand on that fishing
Yeah.
pier?
Well, let's go over there first. Hey, how's it going? What kind of fish in here?
Sorry?
What types of fish are in here?
Oh, all kinds, brim, bass, catfish,
Oh, is that right?
all kind of fresh water.
Ah, oh, very good. Please dump fish parts at the end of the pier. See, there's more pollen. So you dump the fish parts at the end here.
Oh,
So is that why this is gross? Oh, that's a big fish.
mm-hmm.
He says all kinds of fish in here.
Hey, there's a kid on a little.
They're from across the way from us.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How do you know?
I saw that. Oh, there's the bird. Me with my wrong lens.
Where's the bird?
He's standing up right there.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, you get pictures of those birds everywhere, so no big deal.
So here you go, and this is your boat launch.
Mhm.
And the guy was just finished cleaning up. And he might be coming back to dump his guts. But look at this, look at the pollen here. Oh my God.
Mhm.
Wow. Daily limit 8. Yeah. That's a right. Well, 14 inches is a big, good sized fish. Limit 16 off the water.
What does that mean? Daily limit 8, and then you're allowed to have 16 altogether?
I guess. I don't know how that works. Cool though. So, this is the fishing area, and that is the parking lot that I see from the back of my campsite. So our campsite is right across the way from here. And it's not that one there or that one. So maybe it's further down, that way. But this is the little inlet that we see behind our campsite. All right, let's head on over. Let's head on back to the RV. So this is the head of that inlet there. Over there, I would think. So we just have to go to the end of this road, I would think, and go left. And that'll be us back at our campground, our campsite.